Hello students, let's do the duck phase. We have to write the function rule for the perimeter of a rectangle whose length is 3 times its width. So as you can see, I've already done some setup work here. Length is 3 times its width. So the length is 3 times the width. So literally all you do is you take this sentence and you convert it to an algebra sentence, okay? So the length is 3 times the width. The tricky part, how long is the width? Well, the width is just the width. All right, so you need to find the perimeter when the length is 3 times the width and the width is just the width. So how do you find perimeter? Well, you need 2 lengths and 2 widths. So what you do, friends, if the length equals 3W, you put 3W in for the length. And then if the W equals a W, you put the W in for W. So that one's kind of easy. So watch this. You actually substitute. So the L comes out and you have 2 3Ws, okay? The length is 3W, so if you have 2 3Ws, you would actually have 6 Ws plus 2 Ws plus 2 Ws. I'm just kind of rewriting my steps here. Let's see, that would be 8 Ws, I think. There we go. There it is. So the perimeter would equal 8 Ws. There we go. Okay. So another way to do this is you can actually write it on the picture. Okay, so I'll draw a picture. The width is just the width. Okay. And then what's the length? The length is 3Ws. 3W, 3W. So what would be the perimeter? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Wow, that was pretty easy, right? Okay, so let's pick the right option here. The perimeter is going to be 8Ws. There you are. You are 8W. Now, this problem kind of rotates between the perimeter and the area. Okay, so you could also get the same question, but instead of saying the perimeter, it could ask for the area. Well, all you do is you do the exact same thing. You would just plug it into the area formula. Okay, so if a length is 3W, 3W is your length. What's the width? It's still the width. So length times width, 3 times a 1 technically is just a 3. W times W would be a W squared. So the area, if it was asking for it, the area would be 3W squared. All right, so again, you got to be paying attention to which it's asking. I think this duck face question rotates back and forth. You could get perimeter, you could get area. I solved them each way. All right, so again, one thing that helps is if you just draw it on the picture or sketch your own picture, convert this length in terms of W, plug it in, do math, and then you will be just fine. That is the duck face.